In the vastness of our planet, colossal creatures roam, swim and soar, silent guardians of their domains. These are the hidden giants, animals so massive they seem almost mythical, yet their lives remain a mystery to most of us. How do they move, thrive and survive in a world built for smaller beings? Today, we uncover the secret lives of the planet's largest animals. Prepare to be amazed by the extraordinary stories of nature's giants. The world's largest animals aren't just defined by their size, they are also ecological powerhouses, shaping their environments in ways we're only beginning to understand. From the towering giraffes of the savannah to the deep-diving blue whales of the ocean, these giants live extraordinary lives hidden from human view. Let's explore their incredible behaviors, survival strategies, and the roles they play in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. Being enormous comes with its own set of challenges. How do you stay hidden when you're as tall as a small building or as long as a bus? Many giants have evolved unique adaptations to blend into their environments. The elephant's grey, wrinkled skin camouflages it in the dappled shadows of the forest. Meanwhile, blue whales vanish into the vastness of the ocean, their immense size becoming indistinguishable in the endless blue. Despite their size, these giants know how to stay elusive. One of the most fascinating aspects of these creatures is their ability to communicate over vast distances. Elephants use infrasound, low-frequency sounds inaudible to the human ear, to send messages through the ground, reaching other herds miles away. Blue whales, the largest creatures on Earth, produce haunting calls that travel across entire oceans. These silent conversations reveal complex social lives, where bonds and alliances are forged and maintained across unimaginable distances. Hidden giants aren't just inhabitants of their ecosystems, they're architects. Elephants, often called ecosystem engineers, uproot trees to create grasslands, making way for other species to thrive. In the oceans, whale carcasses, known as whale falls, become entire ecosystems themselves, supporting deep-sea life for decades. These animals shape the world around them in ways that ripple across the food chain, proving that their size isn't just a physical trait, but an ecological force. Have you ever wondered what it takes to fuel such enormous bodies? For giraffes, it's a daily quest to consume hundreds of pounds of leaves, often from trees equipped with thorny defenses. Blue whales, on the other hand, feast on krill, tiny shrimp-like creatures. Astonishingly, a single blue whale can consume up to 4 tons of krill in a day. These giants have mastered the art of efficient feeding, turning even the smallest food sources into monumental energy. But being large isn't always an advantage. These giants face unique challenges in a world increasingly shaped by humans. For example, elephants are constantly threatened by shrinking habitats and human-wildlife conflicts. Whales, despite their size, fall victim to ship strikes and entanglement in fishing nets. Even their immense size cannot protect them from the pressures of a changing world. Their lives are a delicate balance between resilience and vulnerability. Though they may seem solitary, many giants are deeply social creatures. Elephants live in tightly knit matriarchal herds, where older females guide and protect the group. Whales too exhibit remarkable social behaviors, forming pods that hunt, play, and even sing together. These interactions are not just survival tactics, they're displays of emotion, intelligence, and community that reflect the complexity of their lives. While some giants, like elephants and giraffes, are familiar to us, others remain shrouded in mystery. The colossal squid, for example, dwells in the dark depths of the ocean, rarely seen by human eyes. Even the blue whale, despite its size, spends much of its life far from human observation. These hidden giants remind us that there is still so much we don't know about the world's largest creatures. These animals are more than just giants. They are keystones in the circle of life. Their presence ensures the survival of countless other species. When a giant falls, its absence is felt across entire ecosystems. Protecting these animals is not just about preserving their size, it's about safeguarding the intricate web of life that depends on them. As we uncover the secret lives of these hidden giants, one thing becomes clear: they are not just fascinating, they are essential. Their survival depends on us, and in turn, our survival is intertwined with theirs. From the depths of the oceans to the vast savannas, these giants remind us of the beauty, complexity, and fragility of the natural world. So the next time you marvel at the height of a giraffe or the majesty of a whale, remember, there is so much more beneath the surface. These hidden giants are the silent guardians of our planet, and their stories are a testament to the wonder of life itself. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and never stop exploring the hidden corners of our natural world.